In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a thread on Discord. Click the plus button to the left of the message box, and a menu appears with Upload a file, Create thread, Create poll, and Use apps. Click Create thread, and the new thread panel opens on the right side of your screen with a thread name field at the top. Type your thread name into that field. For this example, I've typed Follow This. Click the private thread toggle to switch it off so anyone in the channel can see and join your thread. Type your first message in the message box at the bottom of the panel. I've typed link. Then click the arrow button to create the thread, and it opens with your message posted inside. Your thread now appears in the channel with its name shown, and anyone can click it to join the conversation. If you want to close the thread panel after posting, click the X at the top right, and you'll return to the main channel view. To reopen your thread later, just click its name wherever it appears under the original message. Threads automatically archive after 24 hours of inactivity unless someone posts in them again, so if you need a longer discussion, check back regularly. Private threads are only visible to people you specifically invite, so use that toggle carefully depending on whether you want an open conversation or a restricted one. That's how to start a thread on Discord. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.